Google search strategies or tactics. I want to teach you 3 tactics that you can use when searching for information on Google. So the first strategy is the use of quotation marks. So in this case, what you're going to do is to insert your search term into opening and closing quotation marks. So let's try with this term. So we start with the opening quotation marks. Then we want to search for graphic or thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail design pricing. Then you close with the quotation marks, then hit enter. So when you do this, Google will give you results that have only that term. Okay, so you'll come across these guys who are doing thumbnail design. So that's the first strategy. Tactic number 2 is the use of colon. So you can instruct Google to give you results for only PDFs, okay, or docs, Word documents. So for example, you want an ebook on virtual assistant, you type file type PDF, then you put colon virtual assistant ebook, hit enter. So when you do that, Google search will give you only PDF. It will give you places you can download PDF. You can see these results, and this is very useful when you are conducting research, when your client has instructed you to do some research on ebooks that can be used for making decisions. Lastly, you can restrict the type of results based on the year. So what Google will give you should be within a specific time period. So let's say we are searching for a JavaScript tutorial that was after 2023. Okay, then we hit enter. You can see we have results of YouTube tutorials on JavaScript that were recently published from 2023 and beyond. So this helps you to be concise in your research. So if you make use of those 3 tactics, I believe you'll be able to do good research that can meet the requirements as specified by your client. So we'll be looking at how you can do more research using tools like Google Scholar if it's an academic based research that you've been asked to do.